Today, about something super important for every YouTuber: claiming your custom YouTube URL before it's too late. Why you need a custom URL and how to get it. If you don't have one yet, you could miss out on a cleaner, more professional link for your channel. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how to claim yours in just a few clicks. A custom URL makes your channel look more professional, easier to share, and helps with branding. Instead of a messy link with random numbers, you get something like youtube.com/c/evergreen tech tips. YouTube only allows custom URLs once you meet their requirements, so don't wait. Before you can claim a custom URL, YouTube requires your channel to have at least 100 subscribers, a channel older than 30 days, a profile picture and banner image, channel name verified. If you meet these, you're eligible. Let's see how to claim yours. Go to YouTube Studio, click Customization, Basic Info. Look for the handle or custom URL section. If eligible, YouTube will suggest a URL based on your channel name. Confirm your choice, but be careful. You can only change it once in the future. Click Publish to claim it permanently. Pro tip: if your desired name is taken, try adding official or TV, but act fast before someone else claims it. That's it. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a tech tip. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Subscribe for more YouTube growth tips.